VistaCreate has something called headline fonts, which are free sets of text that you can add in and work around with. So to access that, you can simply go around onto the text area on the left side, and on the bottom you can see headline fonts right here. You can go around and select out any headline font right here just by clicking on it, and then you can go around over here, double click and replace it out with your own text right here. So I'm just going to go around over here, replace this as tutor, and you can double click and you can just go around, replace this as tube right here. So you can see that these are text right here and they are grouped together, and you can go around, change out the color, and then you can go around, change out the text size right here, just like this, however you want. And that is how you can go around and utilize this headline fonts right here. So you can go around over here and click on, let's say, this text right here. You can go around and click on this one right here, and these are different presets of text that you have right here. You can go around and select out, let's say, this one, and there's the preset of text that you can just go around and double click and then select it and replace it out however you want. So you can just go around over here and then resize the text out just like this, and that is what you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.